Can you just share kind of a sketch of your background and your early years at IDEO, and some of your where your love of design and product comes from?
Yeah, you bet. The quick bounce on me and my background. So yeah, I grew up just outside of Boston. I was ninth kid out of 10 in a big family, Irish Catholic, no TV. Went to undergrad back east, spent a year in Switzerland, and then came to California to get my master's degree in electromechanical engineering. And I thought I was going to be a university prof, just like my mom. And then my very first Friday at Stanford, I met David Kelly, the founder of IDEO. And I think I sort of assumed up to that point that products just like fell out of the sky or something. That there was no sort of like degree in product design that I knew of anyway. And so when I kind of discovered this, I was just completely taken. And a couple of months later, David actually, after seeing my final project for this ME 101 class, which is sort of like, the design division first, kind of capstone course, or I should say sort of introductory course, told me, he's like, well, you need to work at IDEO this summer. And so I then spent that summer and then the next 5 years really designing a whole bunch of things, products across lots of different sectors, everything from hard products to, software interfaces, a whole bunch of things, furniture, Nike's first sunglasses, Cisco's first voice over IP phones, anesthesia delivery devices, McDonald's bun toasters. I mean, it was everything, and was really imprinted like a baby duck on how you go from a concept to a product that, in many ways, could be sort of category defining. So that was for me a seminal experience. After that, then went on to about 4 years at my first startup, which was in the field of haptics or force feedback interfaces for consumer devices, and then went back to Stanford and did a bunch of things afterwards. But no, IDEO was just one of those just really extraordinary kind of bubbling cauldron of creativity places that I still look back on with just incredibly fond memories.